Today's video is going to be more of like a watch list market sentiment type of video. Um, Not really recap today. I didn't trade anything today. I'm still in one position, just TJT. A little bit of an inside day today. We'll see if we're gonna have another inside day or if it's just gonna take off or go red. We'll see. Come back to the 10-day moving average, but anyways. So looking at the overall market, SPY hit all-time highs today. And a lot of stocks in my watch list were down. Um, didn't make sense. CDNA had a pretty nice setup. Just failed, completely failed. SMR failed. SOC continuation short. I missed this one. Didn't even touch it. Wolf. ASTS. Oklo is just digesting its move. LEU also same thing, digesting. Cores. Holding up pretty well, but said this one racks out of here. App just absolutely crushing it. Just monstrous move. Lumen. I mean, this one's been tricky for me at least. See if it breaks out of here or just gets lower to this moving average. Kava kind of broke out yesterday. UPST continuing. Kind of choppy right now. As you can see this price action, but looks like it broke out yesterday as well. But we'll see. See if we can continue. WJS keeps on moving. Clove looks like it's gonna set up again. We will see. Obviously, CRDO continuing. Dogs really choppy. I mean, really. Look at the ADR. It's 17, so it's pretty big moves on the both sides. You can see here, and then this day. Look how wide this thing is. Don't know if it's a lot of CMP. Going back to dogs. Sorry, misclicked. It's very wide. Going up 25-30% a day. It's pretty crazy. CMP, this one I was stalking for a while. Of course, one of the days I don't trade, but it's also very illiquid, like in terms of volume. I mean, as big as the day I had today, up 10%, it still hasn't. It's not even near average volume. I mean, this traded 950,000 and the average volume is 1.4. So it still needs like 600, 400,000, 500,000 shares to reach the volume. So I don't know about this one. I mean, here it moved, here moved, here moved. But this one's a little scary based on the volume and liquidity of it. But for me, it's not a problem. But still, I just didn't touch it. I don't know why. If you look on the on the the 5 or 10 minute charts, like some of these, like at 6:40 in the morning, 10 minutes after the open, it only traded 600 shares today. I mean, that's on the 5 minute. And for the 15, let's see. 15, the first 15 minutes of the day, it only traded 5,400 shares. And the next was 13,000. And the next was 24,000. And then kind of averaged around, and then, yeah, averaged around 20,000 after that. But it's every 15 minutes, so less than 1,000 shares a minute. In the first 15, sorry. But yeah, so this one's, I don't know. I might get short this one tomorrow. I mean, it's coming off the bottom. I don't know if being short is a good idea. But I just missed this and pissed me off. I didn't really trade today because my account, it's gone under PDT, so I couldn't trade, which is embarrassing. But tail, just have it on watch. Was waiting for the bounce, but I never was going to trade it. It's also illiquid as well, too. Look at it says only traded 230,000 shares today. With one 15-minute candle only trading 150 shares. That's not fun to be in. And then TVTX, I just missed this one. I had this one on watch for so long. I missed this one last week on Friday when I left to Vegas, but oh well. Oh well. And I removed a lot of the other stocks that I had in here. They just were red today, big time. MNTS didn't really. Obviously, I didn't touch it. Peru. That sounded weird. Buru. Weight Watchers. This one, still pissing me off. I mean, I was in here at 5:30. I'm probably gonna say it on every stream if this every stream, every video if this thing continues to go. Yeah. I mean, Miss Clove, Miss EVGO, Miss CMP, Miss TVTX. Man, oh man, and I think I missed Wolf. Wolf as well. Let's see. Yeah, missed Wolf. I think I missed it. I don't remember if I missed it or if it wasn't even on my radar. I don't think it was on my radar. Anyways, EWTX kind of missed this one, but don't know. Couldn't tell you if I would have bought it this day and I would have be able to stay this day. I probably would have, because the low of day here is 2666, and then the low of day here was 2680. So unless I didn't move it like I always do, like an idiot, move my stop, I probably would have still been in this one. I think I have. Let's see if I have messages for EWTX. I hate when this there. 10-4. It's 10-4. Yep, it is. Well, anyways. Yeah. So some of these stocks that were having good setups are moving, even though today was a red day. I mean, it was a green day. All-time highs hit today. Some of these stocks were really weak, and Gvo looks horrible. Some of these stocks are really weak and not really holding up, which is kind of confusing. PCT, don't know. QVC looks nice. Looks really nice here. Don't know why this is up. Gotta look for the news, but looks really nice. I like it. That's the way it looks here. Low volume, descending volume, range is tightening up. It's perfect. What else? APLT. If it can tighten up a few more days, but it's also biotech, and I don't think biotech's really moving right now. This is not the biotech ETF. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of going down, but we'll see. Oklo, it looks like it's pulling back to the 10-day. Hopefully it can get some more sideways, but we'll see. Well, we will see. MSTR, I think I missed this one. I was looking at it since here, around this time. It was getting through this resistance area. Don't really think it gave an entry. But yeah, it's doing well. Oops. Doing pretty well. But it's also really diverged from Bitcoin, or the cryptos, because it's not really doing much. I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's not really hard to explain, but like MSTR is moving, but Bitcoin isn't. So kind of confusing. Don't know what's going on there. Not really a big crypto person. This one, DJT, I already said it. I'm still in it, but I don't know if I should hold this if I should just create a position here and buy a hefty amount and wait for the election and see if he wins or not. I think this can move pretty huge, pretty drastic if he wins, I believe, in my opinion. But we'll see. I mean, I don't know. We will see. Don't really care for politics, but I mean, they can make me money. I'm in. Weibo China's finally get their pullback, which is what I needed, which is what I was stocking for. This actually looks pretty nice, but doesn't really seem like a fun trader. It's like it's gonna chop and grind higher. You can see it just pulls back, pulls back, pulls back, and then big gap up, pulls back. This is probably earnings this day. Probably bet on that. But yeah, so that's pretty much is all mainly on my watch list. Serve, I don't know about this one. Maybe if it breaks here. But China today, actually yesterday I tried China, but today I couldn't because my account. But I was gonna go. I put an order in this morning for yen, but it didn't take it at 37.31. I tried to buy one share just to test if I could still buy anything because my account was technically over PDT, but in terms of like the money in there, it was slightly under but I had a position DJT that put me over PDT, but my actual capital wasn't over PDT. So that's what happened. And I tried to buy it this morning, actually during pre-market, not for just to test it, but then I was looking at this chart, and I was like, if it can hold in the morning, then I'd probably go pretty heavy into this thing. But obviously, I didn't get the chance. We'll see. We will see how it does. Everything I say is we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, maybe this one could be a good 10-15% move. It's had some good moves in the past, but it's choppy. You can see here. I mean, this here, it's probably the only good move it's had. And here, but it feels like it's very up and then sideways, up and then sideways, choppy, chop, chop, up, chop, 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 pull back, chop, chop, up. Screen froze. Yeah. LEU, WGS. Okay, so let's serve. BZ, VST. This one looks nice too. This one looks like which one was I watching earlier? Yeah, CMP. CMP looks stronger than EXK. Both the same. If this breaks out tomorrow, then I think CMP can hold because that industry is moving. Don't know what this is though. Don't know what these companies do. I have to look into it. Oh, obviously this one's silver, but is CMP silver too? Because silver's been moving for a while. I don't know if. I guess this one kind of follows silver, so this one looks stronger than silver. Oops. Yeah, very similar. So I don't. These two are related. Anyways, I gotta start to do more research. I don't really know, to be honest. I think this is yeah, Chinese automobile. Indo. This popped up for the Iran attack, but I don't know if Iran's gonna continue attacking or Israel's gonna attack back. So we'll see. Obviously, we'll see everything. Some more. This one had a really nice setup today, but it looks like it's failing now. And SSRK failing. SSRK failing. A gap up 2 days ago on Monday. So that's it, mainly. These are like some of the strongest stocks in the market right now. These ones. Yeah, so that's about it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have. What am I thinking about trading? This one, EXD. DJT thinking about adding more. And don't know. I don't have any clue on that one. EXK. Is that where it's at? Where is it at? Where is this thing at? Did I miss it? There it is. I just saw you, bro. Where are you at? Where? Oh my god. Okay, let me just look it up. I can't even find it. I don't even know where it's at. Okay. Looking at this one for tomorrow for silver. We'll see if silver can make a move for tomorrow. Is PCT? Nah, not really. There's the other one. Which one is it? It's the Clove. Clove, I think I have it on watch list, yeah. Serve, I don't know if I like this one. This looks like a kind of like a dead cat bounce, kind of. EVGO, pissing me off. EWTX. Which one was it? I was looking at. It looked kind of okay. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? It was like the. Oh my gosh, completely forgot about it now. There it is. UEC. That's the other one. Uranium, right? Yeah. I think that's it. That's those two. Oh, this one as well. Yep, this is the one. Which is, I think it's right above you. Yep, it is. So I went all the way around. Just go find this one. Yeah. So these are the pretty much what I'm looking for tomorrow. I'm gonna star these so or flag these to know which ones I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. Alclo also doesn't look too bad too if it can bounce off here this 10-day tomorrow. I will be a buyer. Looks like it's respecting this 10-day pretty well. And look here, got bought up today. Open up here, then it's holding here. If it can hold tomorrow morning till tomorrow morning, if it can hold, I'll just buy it again. Or not again, but I'll just buy it for like another, hopefully like a move like one of these. 20% move, that'd be nice. But that's it for me. Also, I'm going to look for a continuation short on CDNA. It's under this moving average, and this thing can, as you can look at SOC. One thing I also like to trade, or that I'm kind of starting to trade, is these setup failures, because most of the time these fail. And I was like, whoa, why can't I just trade them instead of, just watching them go down? You see SOC, once I broke down this moving average, this went all the way down to the 50-day. But CDNA looks like it's already down below the 50-day. And we'll see if it can come down to the 100-day. Because you can tell it happens quite a bit. I don't think I think I deleted all of them, but the one that I was looking at, let's see. They kind of, once they break that range, SMR, maybe also another one SMR. Hopefully this can go down to lower. Looking for another continued what is it? Continuation short. VRDN. Watch for these. Watch for these ones that look like they're setting up, that they were setting up and then are failing. These I think are good short setups as well for the continuation shorts. But yeah, so that's it. See you guys.